Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor fun with the Wakefa Classic Cornhole Set. If you're on the hunt for the best wood for cornhole boards, look no further, because we've got you covered. Cornhole is a timeless classic when it comes to outdoor games, and the Wakefa Classic Cornhole Set takes the experience to a whole new level. Crafted from 100% solid wood, these boards are not only durable but also provide that authentic feel you crave. What sets these boards apart is their innovative design. Featuring foldable feet and a support bar to prevent bouncing, the Wakefa Cornhole Set is not only sturdy but also incredibly portable. Plus, with the included carrying bag, taking the fun on the go has never been easier. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, heading to the beach, or tailgating before the big game, this cornhole set is sure to be the life of the party. And with its all-weather construction, you can enjoy endless hours of fun no matter the conditions. But what about the gameplay? Well, this set comes with everything you need for an epic showdown. You get 2 regulation-size cornhole boards, 8 all-weather beanbags, and even a zippered tote bag to keep everything organized. And let's not forget about the design. With its classic pinstripe pattern, these boards are as stylish as they are functional. They're perfect for family gatherings, picnics, weddings, or just a casual game in the backyard. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best wood for cornhole boards, look no further than the Wakefa Classic Cornhole Set. With its solid construction, innovative design, and endless fun, it's sure to be a hit with friends and family alike. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming!